Is your home feeling cluttered despite your efforts? You might be making these subtle Japandi mistakes. Let's fix them together. Correct subtle design errors to improve visual flow and aesthetic harmony. Mistake 1. Using too much white. Japandi needs warmth. Swap clinical white for creamy oatmeal or soft beige tones for instant coziness. Mistake 2. Forgetting the Jap in Japandi. It's not just Scandi. Integrate dark wood or black accents to ground your space properly. Mistake 3. Matching everything. Perfection is the enemy of Wabi-Sabi. Mix textures and ages to give your room a soulful, lived-in feel. Mistake 4. Overcrowding surfaces. Negative space is a design element. Leave room for the eyes to rest and the energy to flow freely. Mistake 5. Neglecting natural light. Heavy curtains block the zen. Use sheer linens to invite soft, diffused sunlight into your sanctuary. Mistake 6. Synthetic materials. Plastic feels cold. Prioritize wood, stone, and wool to connect your indoor life with the natural world. Mistake 7. Ignoring scale. Tiny furniture in a big room feels lost. Choose pieces that respect the proportions of your architecture. Mistake 8. Too many fast decor items. Japandi values quality. Save for one handcrafted piece instead of 10 cheap, trendy trinkets. Mistake 9. Harsh overhead lighting. It kills the mood. Layer your light with floor lamps and candles to create a soft, inviting glow. Mistake 10. Forgetting greenery. Plants are the lungs of Japandi. Add one large sculptural branch or a bonsai for focal point. Which of these are you doing? Don't worry, even a small shift in color or texture can transform the entire energy of your room. Look at the difference a few changes make. The space feels lighter, more intentional, and significantly more peaceful than before. Remember, Japandi is a journey toward simplicity, not a destination. Take your time selecting pieces that truly speak to you. Focus on how the space makes you feel, rather than just how it looks. Peace starts with an intentional and curated environment. Want more tips to master the Japandi lifestyle? Subscribe to Bloome Calm Home for weekly inspiration on creating your peaceful sanctuary.